Hey, what's up, everyone? Good morning. You've reached Tuck Notes. This is Stock Talk for beginners, and now this is going to be Stock Talk in general because this is for everybody, not just for beginners. This message, this video in particular, and I've said this before, and I'm saying this again. I just watched Jim Cramer's show last night about yesterday, and I feel bad that I have 3 shares of stocks right now. It's not a good time to have any stock. Trust me. If this guy, I've heard it from people that are like my dad's age, that have been in the investment world for a long time, and then you hear all over Kramer this, Kramer that. The guy means something, right? He wouldn't be doing this. He wouldn't have a show if people didn't believe in him. I'm believing in it. I'm starting to believe in him. And Monday morning is going to be a bloodbath, I think. Our last patterns have shown that on the Monday and Tuesday, the stock market does about better. But this is the electoral week. And apparently on Tuesday, I thought it was Thursday, we find out who could be potentially the president. And then in a few days after that, followed by that, we will know by then who is the president. However, I'm going to tell you a fact right now, and this is the reason why I'm making this video. Very interesting. Check this out. In the stock exchange, over the course of 23 presidential elections, the stock market has been a huge indicator dictating who's going to be the president. Now, this isn't concrete that this is the way it is. However, 20 out of 23 times, the stock market has predicted who the president's going to be. A representation of our economy is who's going to be the president. And we're only a few days away, baby. And I don't know much. I haven't heard a lot about Trump or anything. And maybe he'll come out with a big shabam, right? Trump gets elected somehow, but everybody is led to believe that Biden will win. And the stock market is also leading everyone to believe that he will win. And if that's the case, you need to know and prepare. If you are going to invest, it's going to be a choppy water. I was a lifeguard for 15 plus years, and I'd go out and rip currents in choppy water to go rescue people. It's going to be a choppy financial weeks. And you're either in it and you stay in it so you don't lose your money. Don't do this buy and sell, because you slowly depreciate your investment. Trust me, it's happening to me right now. I'm falling into that trap. So you have to, when you buy a stock, you got to, this catch-22. And if it goes down, you got to wait for it to go back up to your buying point at least to get out and not lose any money. If this should make sense to everybody who watched in this video that's interested in the stock market. But I do want to stress this. The next 2 or 3 weeks will be very choppy waters and a very red bloodbath in the stock market, meaning everything's going to be red. There will be very few things that are green. The only things that I can think are green are things that we do daily. And I know of some things to invest in on Monday. Things I never thought of before. And one of them, you're waiting until the end of my video? Thank you. Wait 1 second, I'm going to go grab the list, okay? Okay, I'm back. Like I never was gone before. Right, David Lee? You ever watch this show? I doubt it. Anyways, alright. If you want to focus on some stocks, here's a little game plan. Monday, buy a stock. One stock. Buy a fraction of a share of a stock. That way you kind of have a feel of what's going on if you want, you know, and that way you won't gain too much and you won't lose too much, which I should have done with my stocks. You know, you can do this 0.5, 0.4, 0.3. I used to say in the beginning of my videos, don't do that, just buy one share. Well, here I am finding that I'm saying, don't do that, buy maybe a half a share. So anyways, good questions that were asked on Kramer's show last night and notes he took. These are going to be some popular stocks or stocks that will be stable throughout this process. 1, Apple, definitely. If you get into this, the next quarter is going to be off the hook. And if you buy in now, you will, and hold on until 3 months, you might make some money. Another one, I've got a list of them. Few. Okay. So, these are ones, I think they're having an election, or, I don't want to make this video too long. So Monday, think about Estee Lauder, Estelauder. Next, Clorox. 3, this one is called Skyworks. 4, PayPal. PayPal is the best financial transaction way to move money in the world, FYI, according to Kramer. Tuesday, I wouldn't do anything. But if you want, Humana is going to be releasing their, and you can look that up, but Humana, they'll be releasing their reports on election day. Another one I think is Eaton, E-A-T-O-N, and another one's called Emerson. The last 2 are industrials. Industrial, I don't see that going away because everyone's going to be working on their homes. No one's going traveling. So Boeing might be a good buy, or keep an eye out. I always said 150. If it went below 150, that's a good buy. Because riding Boeing back in the day, pre-COVID, it was above 300. So you double your money, baby. In 5 years. Probably. I'm in 5 years seeing everything's back to normal. Thursday or Wednesday, Qualcomm. These are solid companies. Well, the ones that I know. This is a good company. They're not going anywhere. That's a 5G company. And the next ones are too. Oh no, I don't know. You guys probably know more than me about that one. But Thursday, T-Mobile, Roku, and a big one that is going to be a big one that's going to take over the Hollywood streaming service is called Take-Two Interactive. Ticker symbol T2. I'm giving you way too much information right now, and I'm gonna charge you money sometime when I start making my views. I'm getting a lot more views each day. Thank you everybody who watching my videos. I love all y'all. If you like these videos, you can follow me at Tuck Notes on YouTube. And then on Instagram, you can follow me at TuckerMLO and check out my blog site at #TucksBlog. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Monday morning, if you have money and you're not too far away from your investment or initial investment, get out ASAP. Put your order in for Sunday night for selling your stocks that you want to sell. And be on the lookout. Last thing, Tesla could drop down to 350 or 300. Its buy price was 319 according to Morningstar. On Zoom, I remember when I first invested into Robinhood, I was buying Zoom at $232. And I started at June 2nd, 2020. Sorry, 2019. No, 2020, sorry. I don't want to confuse you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.